guys, welcome back to a new video. That's the test match between Pakistan and India. My lineup is good. Test number 1, day 1. Okay, my line is Abdullah Shafiq, Mohammad Huraira, opening partnership. 1 down Babar Azam, 2 down Shan Masood, the skipper. And we have Saud Shakil, and the all-rounders we have with Kamran Ghulam, and the bowling all-rounder we have Amir Jamal. And we have the bowlers in our team. First, we had the wicket-keeper. Muhammad Rizwan. We have the spinner Abrar Ahmed. We have two fast bowlers, Muhammad Naseem Shah and Shaheen Afridi. So Abdullah's lineup, India's lineup means India's lineup will be Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Shubman Gill, Surya Kumar Yadav, and KL Rahul, Ravindra Jadeja, Hardik Pandya, Rachin Ravindra Ashwin, and Akshay Patel, Bob Bumrah, and Bumrah, Sivraj, and Shami. Thank you for watching. Let's go on with toss. We call heads. You will take. Or let's go.